Hi, I'm Kathy.
And I'm Annie.
And we're the Thrive Life Sisters. We're thinking camping.
Yeah, camping time is always like a panic sometimes, I guess, because we're always thinking, what are we going to bring that's not going to perish? So we're going to give you a few ideas. We're going to give you a few ideas.
Okay, I'm going to do a meal in a jar, and she's going to do a breakfast in a bag. And we'll show you what we do. I like having chicken and broccoli. Those are kind of foolproof type things. So I will start by putting some pasta.
And I'm going to grab the eggs. We're going to do like an omelet. So I'm going to grab the eggs.
I'm doing a single serve, but if you have a family, just do a bigger jar. And we will post the videos below.
So this is for one omelet. So I've got about 2 eggs in here.
I'm gonna add some chicken. This is our grilled chicken. I love our grilled chicken pieces.
And this is sausage crumble. I love this in an omelet.
Now this jar is going to be one that you would boil a few cups of water, dump the whole jar in, and then bring it to a boil for about 5-10 minutes, and then it's ready. So everything will be in there.
Chili peppers always spice it up a little, so I'm going to put that. You can put spinach in there as well if you want. I'm going to put some red peppers for color.
This is chicken bouillon. I'm also going to add the Alfredo sauce in here as well, because then it's a one pot of everything.
And of course, omelets always require some cheese. So I'm going to put cheese in there.
I'm adding a few seasonings of some garlic powder, some Italian seasoning,
I'll use the
and
chef's.
some chef's choice. Perfect, thank you. And some onions, tear-free onions, I love those. And then I'm just gonna put a little bit of broccoli in there as well, because this is a broccoli Alfredo with chicken.
That looks good.
It
Did you
is
put the
good.
sauce in there already?
I did.
Oh, nice.
So everything's in there. And you can even do this beforehand in your home. You have different size jars. It's a ready-made meal. You just pretty much boil the water. You could right on top boil 2 cups of water, and then just dump this whole thing in, and seasoning, vegetables, meat, and the pasta. The longest part is the pasta to cook, but it's so easy. And you can prepare a whole bunch of meals and see what you feel like. You just pull it out and you prepare it.
I like doing that in a beef stew too, where you put the beef stew chunks and then you throw everything in it, and that's nice too.
Yeah.
And so this is the omelet mix. And again, it's a 2-egg omelet, and that's super easy. You just add the water in the bag, and really the consistency is the same as if you had just regular eggs. So you mix up eggs. That consistency is what you want to see here. You'll be adding a little bit more water because you're refreshing those. But like I say, the consistency of eggs, and it's good enough to go. You put it on a hot skillet, and it's an omelet ready to go.
I've even, with my kids, added water to this. Mix it up, just squish it with your hands, and then have a pot of boiling water, and take your bag. Of course, I do the freezer bags, not the sandwich bags, and you just put it right into the pot, and it cooks your eggs, and then you just open it up and have your scrambled eggs that way. So that makes it kind of fun, little individualized eggs. So here's some ideas for you for camping, or even just for every day. And I hope you guys give these a try.
So if you have any questions, just comment below. We'd be happy to answer them for you. But give it a whirl, and you'll see that camping will be so much more convenient and easy.
Yeah.
So
remember to subscribe, and
and remember,
you can do this too.